Today, this court will hear the arguments or so-called arguments of the US lawyers. They will maintain that Julian will be treated very fairly when he is extradited into the US prisons. They will make so-called assurances. Everyone who takes a second look at those so-called assurances knows that they are worth nothing.
What's at stake here isn't what is argued in court today. It's about whether the UK courts are going to extradite a journalist to the country that conspired to assassinate him. It is completely unthinkable that the UK courts could agree to that.